Hello everyone, I'm Jaswinder and today we are looking at zbyte's dPlat dApp Studio, and we are looking at how do we use smart contracts inside our dApp building journey. So I'm going to open a dApp that I've been using for these tutorials. What you see right in front of you is the UI that I created to explain UI widgets. On your left side, you would see there are widgets, there are queries, JavaScript, there are data sources, and there are libraries. If you click on data sources, you would see all kinds of traditional databases, your decentralized storage, your APIs, and you would see your smart contracts as well. Now, if you have installed a smart contract in the past, you would see it right here. But if you have not used it in the past, you have to go and click on add contract, and you would see all the smart contracts that the dPlat offer right now. There's job completion tracking, there's simple NFT, there are rental NFTs, and you can pick any contract you like. We are adding more and more use cases and their smart contracts every day to dPlat. Now let me just pick a simple NFT contract. So what you need to do from this collection of contracts is just select a smart contract and it will start showing up as installed. You can go back and now see that it is one of the contracts that is available to you to use. Now I'm going to click on simple NFT and rename the instance that I'm going to use. I'm going to say simple NFT demo. So I've renamed my particular instance of the smart contract as simple NFT demo. And now I'm going to look at the different functions that this smart contract has. I'll click on new query and you can see these are the smart contract functions that I can choose. If I click on choose function, you will see the list of all the smart contracts that are available with respect to what contract you're using. So because I picked an NFT contract, I have all these functions. I'm going to pick the mint function here. You can also rename your function. Let's say I call it create NFT just for the sake of simplicity. And then there is a parameter that this function needs. We will talk about what this parameter is later on. So you install the smart contract to your library and you can go see it here. And then you can see on the active tab what are the different contracts that you have initialized. In this particular workspace, I have initialized carbon tracking, store number, and a simple NFT demo. You can also see one query on this page, which means I've initialized a smart contract function as well. You can also, when you click on your queries/js, you'll see that smart contract function that you used and the name that you put out for it, which is create NFT. Now, if you go to widgets, now let's talk about how do you use the smart contract function in your UI. How do you integrate this? So let's say I pick my button widget from my UI, and on the right side, I have the on-click property of the button. If you click on on-click, you will see an option here which says execute a smart contract function. If you click on it, you will see the create NFT function on top, and you can go ahead and click on it. There's a bunch of stuff that you can do here, which is define on success, on error behavior. We won't get into the details of that. But what we have done here essentially is pick the smart contract from all the available smart contracts and then instantiated the same contract for ourselves, named it, and then used a function from it, named that function to our own convenience, and then finally use this function in the UI. So this is how you use a smart contract in dPlat's dApp Studio, and stay tuned for other videos to know what do you need to do next. Thank you.